Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today, I'm gonna do another quick video comparing the new Ideal Industry 61557 AC/DC voltage tester, and I want to do a comparison today against the Milwaukee. This is their newest product on the line as far as voltage testers, and this has been out for a couple of months now. So I just want to do a comparison between the two, and we'll decide which one that you think that you may pick, or which one will win. Okay, so this one has been out, at least I've had this one for maybe about 4 months probably now. I don't know just how long it's been. I think less than a year by Milwaukee. And Milwaukee is new too as far as the test instruments are concerned. They've been making multimeters, clamp meters, things like that for a few years now. But they're widely known for their tools, their drills and things like that, bits and saws and things like that. So they jumped in the game with the tools. With the test instruments, and they have a few multimeters out, a few clamp meters out, things like that. And they have a fluorescent, I think it's a fluorescent bulb and ballast tester that's out. And in fact, I have one of those. And again, like I said, this is their latest. This is their newest and latest tester, and this is their voltage tester, continuity tester, resistance tester. It's category 4, 600 volts. It has, let me turn it on for you guys. Turn it on too. It has voltage AC/DC. It has continuity, and also has resistance. It has a flashlight, backlight at the top up here, and it has, it doesn't have a backlight, I don't think, no, it doesn't have a backlight. So that's all the features that you see that it has, that's in front of you. It comes with the test leads. They're okay, they're pretty decent test leads. They are rated for 10 amps. And let me see. 10 amps. Yeah. Rated for 10 amps. They have the protective shroud on the front. They are pretty decent, I must say. They don't feel cheap. This meter cost about, I think about $40. No, let me see. I think it was something like 30. Can't remember, but I think between $35 and $40 for this meter. And I'm trying to see. No, it doesn't have anywhere. I guess you could. They won't sit right. I'm thinking about how some these little voltage testers, you could put the leads in the back and just use it by the hand and plug in. You can't do this, but it doesn't have a spot where you can store your meters and protect the top part of it, the probing part. Now it does have a belt clip, and that's nice, but I don't know if I want to. That means that if you clip it on your belt, well, no, that's nice, because if you're working overhead or up on a ladder, you have to, and you need your hands freed for a minute, you can clip this on your belt. So yeah, that's okay. That's a nice feature. But other than that, everything what you see right here in the front, that's all the features that it has. Okay. Now, the Ideal Industries. Let me put this on before I lose this little shroud. The Ideal Industries. This is their latest. I've done a video comparison with this before against the. So if you want to check that out, just look on my channel, and you will see. And I'll leave a description of these two at the bottom, the link. Okay, now the Ideal Industries, this is their latest. I've had this now close to a week now, and this is their newest voltage tester. Now the ones before Ideal is not, they're not used to I mean, they're not new to the market as far as making electrical testers. They've been doing it for a while. They've been making clamp meters, multimeters, phase power analyzers, and things like that. Installation testers. They're not new to the game. So, but this is their newest digital voltage tester. They used to make the ones before, like the analog, one with the little light goes up and down. And before people start coming out with the ones with the digital, you know, those were common. In fact, I had one when I first started doing electrical some years ago, for 20-something years ago, and in fact I still have it. And I've done a video on that too. So if you'd like to check that out, just check my video. Go to my main YouTube channel, and just scroll to my videos, and you'll see that also. The name was a Volcon, yeah, by Ideal Industries. But anyway, this is their latest, and this one has a lot of features. Now, this magnetic strap right here, this is from Klein Tools, because this little tester right here had a little, I guess I would say, a hook back here that fits perfectly with this Klein magnetic strap right here. These straps, you normally find them on the back of Klein. Come with Klein multimeters, and with the magnet, and it fit perfectly. So, but it would, you know, it'd slide off easily for some reason, but it fit perfectly. So I just glued it on there because I'm not planning on taking it off and on. So I glued it on there, and I was on there permanently. But you know, voltage tester, and I got with this magnetic strap. I never had one like that before. I used to always have to hold it in my hand. So, but anyway, looking at the features that this one have compared to this one, for the same price, this is like $39. This has a GFCI tester. It has a volt AC/DC. Have a low Z feature. It have continuity. It has that backlight on it. You can tell from here or not, but it has a backlight. Nice white backlight. Nice white backlight. It has a flashlight that's really bright, and compared to this one, it's really bright. So, you see the two. I can put them like this so you can see. It's really bright, and let me see. You have non-contact voltage tester on here, and the power on and off, and it's rated for IP42. I know that has something to do with for its moisture or something like that. I don't know, you know, what it falls under, but I know it has something to do with probably moisture. And also, let me turn this backlight off. Also, this rubber boot, this protective boot that it has. This one takes 2 AAA batteries to run this one. This one takes 3, I think it's AAA batteries. Let me see. Yeah, this one takes 3 AAA batteries to run this one. Now, the test leads for this one, let me just, test leads for this one, they're pretty nice. They don't feel as nice as these Milwaukee's, but you know, they pretty decent. They're pretty decent. And what I like about this Ideal, you can put the test leads inside of here, and you know, if you want to go to an outlet, or you can just poke it right in there and do what you have to do. So that's what I like about this also. And when the test lead's not up there and you're not using them, and you want to put them where they're supposed to go to protect them, that's when you store them in there. So this one has a lot of features on it that for $40, you know, you get more bang for the buck. I like this one. This would be nice also, but you get more with this one. So if you had to decide out of the two, natural, you know, I know which one I'll pick, so I can almost imagine which one that you would pick. So the Ideal has won this comparison. It has won this comparison. But if you have one of these already, and you know, I guess it's serving you well, to keep it. But if you haven't, and you had to decide out of the two, you know, to go purchase these, one or the other, just my opinion, this would be the one right here. In fact, you know, I've seen a lot of testers on the market, and this one almost like a multimeter, basically, all the features that they have on here. So how many features I say this one had? It had volts, AC, DC, that's 2. Continuity is 3. Resistance is 4. The work light is 5. I'm gonna give the belt clip. I'm gonna say 6. Okay. I'm gonna say 6. So this one, the GFCI 1, low OZ 2, AC, DC, continuity, the backlight, the work light, non-contact voltage, and the magnetic strap on. It says 9 for $40, and it's IP42 rated, category 4, 600 volts. Yeah, this would be the one. So guys, I hope that you are entertained with this video, and if you benefited any kind of way from this video, and you think somebody else would also, why don't you share it and let them take a look at it also. And I want to thank you guys once again from always looking at all of them, always looking at my videos. And if you want to subscribe, before you do, just go to my main channel on YouTube and look at the videos. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. But you know, I like talking tools. I like talking to you guys. If I could give you my opinion on one of the tools that I've used before, or you know, had experience with, I will. So you guys, as always, you guys take care, and peace out.